Hello and welcome to one of my these are my UPVC new locks. Very good locks, as you can see. We had plastic. The plastic was UPVC windows. They broke, so for £16 these are much better, much more solid, really hard to break, very solid. You can see, let's get this open. Very stiff, as you can see, to get these open. I mean, for security purposes, great for the UPVC windows. A burglar's nightmare. And that was my first video on my lock collection. I've got plenty of locks and all that. I've been Simon, who loves his locks, and that was my video. And thank you very much for viewing my video, and goodbye and good evening.